What's up guys, this is Skinny, back at it with another video. And hey, you like my new glasses? Got these are nice, eh? Last week I did a video on why I think salespeople don't use video to sell cars. It had great response, a lot of great encouraging comments, so thank you very much for that. And I figured I would follow that up with some interesting ways to use video in the dealership other than for marketing or advertising or specifically for a used or new vehicle. Because there's a lot of different ways that you can use video in the dealership to achieve some other goals. So let's go have a look. So here is idea number one. Worst case scenario, husband and wife, but just the husband or just the wife comes in. Such a hard customer to sell to because you have to battle the other side who's not there and you can't show them the vehicle. Here's an amazing practice that we've been using and I think it's been working a little bit better. What you're gonna do is you're actually gonna make a custom video for the spouse showing them the vehicle and some of the features that they would be interested in seeing. So it would go something like this. Hey Paul, this is Skinny at Coburg Nissan. You came in today looking at this beautiful 2018 Pathfinder. Now Paul, I remember you saying that Tracy would want to have a look at this vehicle, so I thought I would do one better really quickly just to get her interested. I wanted to send this video to you so you can go show her and show her some of the amazing features that we saw today. So Paul, pause the video right now, go find Tracy, get a cup of coffee and sit down. I'm going to take you on a quick tour, okay? So hit pause, let's go find her. Alright Tracy, how are you doing? My name is Skinny at Coburg Nissan and I had the pleasure of meeting Paul today and we had a look at this 2018 Pathfinder. Now, while Paul was here, he said that you were going to want to look at the vehicle, so I made sure to ask him some of the features that you would want in the vehicle, and he told me, first things first, it's got to have leather interior. So as you can see here, this Pathfinder has leather interior, and it's also got heated seats right down there. So imagine sending that to a customer who came in that they need to show their husband or wife. It's a way better way to follow up with the customer than sending a crummy old email. Hey Paul, when do you want to bring your wife back? That's so lame. That's so like 2012. Use the video to follow up and introduce yourself to the husband or wife and show them some of the features that they would love. Great way to build rapport and you're not even sitting in front of the customer. Try that with the next one. So the next opportunity comes right here in the financial services office. Wouldn't it be great if you made a general video, not personalized, that explained that just before you're about to come out of your factory warranty, you can get an extended warranty plan without an inspection to cover you for any unforeseen repairs that may happen in the future. You could email this every single month to customers coming out of that warranty, and who knows what you could pick up. 2, 3, 4 extended warranty plans a month. It's simple, it's free, and it's reusable. No extra effort. Every month, just bang, bang, bang. Hit your list, send them this video, and see what happens. Alright guys, so last but not least, one of my favorite videos to do is follow up with unsold prospects on vehicles that either maybe have been price reduced or maybe the customer missed out on a particular vehicle and now you have something similar in stock. So here's how that video would go. Hey Tom, this is Skinny from Coburg Nissan. I know you were looking at this Subaru WRX STI a few weeks ago. Now, we just recently had a price drop on the vehicle from $42,900 to $41,900. And I wanted to reach out to you really quickly just to give you the heads up before the general public sees it on our website tomorrow. So if you're still interested in the WRX, give me a call right away. Let's discuss what we can do to get you in this car before the price drop hits the internet, and then who knows what happens after that. So give me a call, let's make a deal. Okay, the let's make a deal at the end's a little cheesy, but you know what I mean. Or you can do something like this. Woohoo! Tom, look what just came in, pal. You missed out on that 16 WRX, but we just got a 17 in with less kilometers, and this bad boy hasn't even hit the internet yet. Tom, if you want the Subaru, you missed out last time, you gotta give me a call right away. This thing is not on Trader, it's not on Kijiji, it's not even on our website yet. I wanted to reach out to you, give you a first crack at it before we advertise it to the public. Hopefully, you don't miss out on this bad boy. Give me a call. So I don't know about you, but I think that'd be a really effective video to send somebody who's unsold on a vehicle that just had a price drop or something they missed out on. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Those are just some cool and interesting ways that I think you can use video in your dealership other than to promote just a specific car or maybe the promotion you're running that month. Give them a try, let me know what you think. If you like the video, hit the like button. I love receiving the positive feedback. If you have any questions or want to comment, go ahead, fire away. Would love to chat about it. Really passionate about video and using that in the dealership setting. So thanks for watching guys. Take care.